either. This evening I'm sitting at another bird hide in another lake and watching birds trying to make couples. See how that goes. So I'm in at the lake Krankensjön, Lake Kranken, in the south part of Sweden. And it's a nice hide here. It's got low openings so you can sit, and you're not restricted to small holes in the wall. However, it can be very windy here, so I put a jacket for just in case. So I'm sitting here watching coots and loons trying to make couples, chasing rivals away and making territorial claims. It's a little bit early yet, but and they are a little bit way off, so sorry for the video quality, but it's fun to watch how they interact with each other. Yeah, so that could be a very nice evening, I think. It's too bad that I can't see around the corner of that reeds. I think there is happening a lot of back there. Maybe there is a patch of land or grass that they consider to be a nest. Yeah, that's how it is. So I'm rushing now. I just got a message that it might be
1.5 kilometers, turn right. Thank you. Always look out Italian.
Yeah, that's my GPS. So let's go over to our reporter on the ground. Over to you, Mik. Well, thank you, Mik. I'm at the location now for this owl encounter. Somewhere here or over there. Now I just have to find it. Yes, folks, I'm happy to say that I found it sitting on the cliff. The telltale of how to find this is looking for the poo on the walls. That's where it usually sits. However, this is a nesting ground, so I will do a try to see if I can see the chicks. They should be out any day now, so who knows? See if I can see them. Well, unfortunately I couldn't spot the chicks. So back to the lake again. Well, it looks like most of the light had disappeared. It took a little bit longer at the owl. Something is in the reeds. I wonder what that was. It made a lot of noise. Yeah, well, it wasn't that bad light after all. What do you think about this? Well, I think this evening was quite okay. Anyway, there was a kind of slow action at the lake, but then the owl and the kestrels, and now the beautiful sunset light on the lake. That was magic. So, if you enjoyed this as much as I did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, share. Yeah, you know the drill. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Walking back to my car, I heard this chitter and chatter up in the tree, and it was a kestrel that had caught something and was chewing it up. And of course I tried to take a photo, but of course I didn't change any of my settings from the owl. So here's an important lesson: every time you made a setting like the mirror lockup or something, before you leave the spot, return to your normal settings.